Welcome to Mrbelleskitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. Haven't subscribed? Wondering how to subscribe? Should I subscribe? Yes, you should. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mrbelleskitchen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the good comments you've been leaving and everything. Today, Mr. Bell, going to do something different in the Power Excel. I did some Johnsonville patties about last week or something, and I had some comments on the sausage. So today I'm going to do some sausage. I'm going to have this with some rice and some eggs, and a little cantaloupe on the side. Should come out pretty good today and everything. If you wonder what Mr. Bell have, that's all you have to do is stroll down. Mr. Bell got a lot of videos out there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this stuff to the side and get ready to start. So these are my Johnsonville sausages, as you see, and everything. Looking nice and good. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray this top just a little. And then I set them sausages one by one. Okay, I got all of them in, so what I'm going to do, put it on air fryer. I'm going to set it for 375. Now I'm going to set the minutes. I'm going to just set it for 22 minutes, and I'm going to press start. And let that cook. Mr. Bell, we'll move the camera over so you get an idea of how it's going. Okay, we're going to take a peep at it. Spend 7 minutes. We're going to see how it's looking. As you see, it's coming out nice and good and everything. It's cooking good. Yeah. While this is cooking, I'm going to get my eggs started and everything. And my rice is cooking. You can have this with anything, but today I'm just going to have it with some rice and eggs. Okay, we're going to raise this up one more time and see how it's coming out. It's coming out great and everything. And also I have my grill plate in here so the grease is off the sausage just fall right into the bottom part. I have my grill plate in here. Yeah. It's looking good. I'm going to put the top back down, let it finish. Okay, it's been 13 minutes and all. I'm going to take this top up and look at it. I'm going to let it cook maybe about 2 more minutes. And take them out. Looking nice and good. In the meantime, we get my eggs and get them started. So I'm going to take these out now. These are done. Looking nice and good, as you see. Oh yeah. Just take them out just like that. And I'm going to press catch it. I'm going to do, I'm going to move the camera. And these are your Johnsonville sausages, air fried. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the camera over toward my eggs and my rice. These right here are my scrambled eggs. You can have any kind of eggs you want to have, but today I'm going to have the scrambled eggs. Right here's my rice. It's cooking. It's ready to eat. So this right here is my sausage, eggs, and rice. So I'm just gonna do a little taste and a little cantaloupe on the side and see how they come out and everything. As you see, they're coming out good and everything. So I'm gonna just get a little dab of everything on here. See how it come out. That's good. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell. You subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. You can have it with anything.